Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Anish Rongare, class BSc third year, SEM 5th, Group CEB, Seminar Topic Valence Bond Theory, guided by Professor Patode Sir, Department of Chemistry. Valence bond VB theory and molecular orbital MQ theory are two important theories of covalent bonding. According to VB theory, a bond between two atoms is formed when a pair of electrons with their spins paired is shared by two overlapping atomic orbitals, one orbital from each of the atoms joined by the bond. Then the VB view of formation of the covalent bond in S2, which is seen in above diagram. Separated H atoms overlapping of orbitals covalent bond in H2. The potential energy is lowered where the bond form depends in part on the extent of orbital overlapping. Therefore, atoms and tend position themselves to the maximum amount of orbital overlap occurs. This is the minimum potential energy and the strongest bond. And the fluor atoms has a singly occupied second orbital. It can be overlapped with the hydrogen first orbital to form the single bond in hydrogen fluoride. Then the H1s orbitals position themselves for maximum overlapping with the S3p orbitals. The predicted 90-degree bond angle is very close to the experimental value of 92 degree. There are many molecules with shapes and bond angles that fail to fill the VB model as developed. We see in the above given diagram partially filled 3p orbitals overlap final 3p orbitals. The orbitals are compact in one position, one as overlapping. The bond in the ethane molecule overlap of orbital p. The degree of overlap of sp3 orbitals is the carbon-carbon bond is not appreciated by the rotation of CH3 groups relative to the each other around the bond. Overlapping for CC bond, overlapping for CH bond. There is free rotation around this bond. The nitrogen atom in ammonia has one lone pair electron. The experimental H and H bond angle is 107 degrees Celsius. The oxygen atom in water has two lone pair of electron and an experimental HOH bond angle 104.5 degree. Lone pairs of electrons are shown in a given diagram. A multiple bond almost consists of a single sigma bond and the one pair of pi bonds. The pi bonds are formed from the pi orbitals and are not involved in the hybrid orbitals. Hydrocarbons frequently involve pi bond. The double bond in alkane is compared of a sigma and pi bond. The triple bond is alkanes consist of sigma and two pi bonds. The carbon double bond in ethane. The carbon double bond consists of sigma and one pi bond. If the CH2 groups in front to the rotation relative to the one in the where the anhybrid p orbitals would no longer to be aligned, meaning the pi bonds would be broken. Bond breaking requires more energy than is available through normal bending and stretching at a room temperature. Groups connected by single bonds can freely rotate. Rotation is the restricted around double bonds. VB theory can be summarized. The basic framework of a molecule is determined by the arrangement of the sigma bonds. Hybrids orbital is used to form the sigma bond, and the lone pair of electron needed by an atom is structure equals the number of atoms which is bonded plus the number of lone pair electrons in its valence shell. When there is a double bond in a molecules, it consists of one sigma and one pi bond. Where there is a triple bond, it consists one sigma and two bonds. Thank you, all of you. A reference from a textbook of a chemistry of 5th sem.